What's up, bros? We are back at the fire pit that has gotten so much love from all of you on our other video. Thanks for leaving the comments. We read through every single one of them. Today we've got something really cool planned, but I also just want to say it's been 4 months since we built the fire pit and the patio. Things are holding up great. There's no issues so far. And the only thing that we want to fix with this whole setup is how smoky the fire pit is. So today, Ryan and I are gonna try to make it less smoky with one little trick that should make it a whole lot nicer to gather around. Now, I think that's Ryan coming up right now in his Fiero. Yeah, let's go talk to him and then we'll get started. Dude, you got your suspension finished.
Heck yeah, man.
How's it driving?
Dude, it's so awesome. It's seriously like a new car. It is.
When's that video gonna be up?
That will be up, well, it'll be our next video. And dude, I'm so excited about it. It's like one of my favorite ones so far.
Sweet. All right, let's get working.
Dude, this looks so good. Oh, for everybody that was wondering, that's the grate that's inside, but it doesn't quite provide enough airflow.
Yeah, I mean, the main thing we're trying today is to take out some of the bottom bricks in the fire pit ring. But the question is, how many bricks to take out?
7.
Not 7. Will it support itself if
Yes.
we're missing a whole brick, or do we need to stagger them?
No,
there's some conflicting ideas on this end. So I was thinking we're just gonna build a small fire and then see how it goes. Oh, and let me show you this homemade fire starter. It's just dryer lint and a toilet paper roll tube. You just stuff it in there and then you like fold the edges over. Might be a little too full, to be honest. The plan today is to make 2 fires. Fire number 1, which I'm trying to get started right now, has no extra airflow. It's open at the top, but the sides are completely solid.
Dan, look at this.
Can you see the mountains?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. It looks beautiful. Through the magic of video editing, we're gonna let fire number 1 burn while we get started dismantling the fire pit. Our new bottom row will have a small space between every 2 pavers. It's thin enough to support the row above it while still giving the fire way more oxygen, resulting in a hotter, cleaner burning fire with a lot less smoke. At least, that's what everyone says will happen. I kinda wanna see the proof. Hey guys, if you've been enjoying this video or any of our other projects, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Okay, so here are the 2 fires side by side. What do you think? Does fire number 2 look any better? I'll admit, at this point I felt like both fires were pretty smoky. Maybe the one with more airflow does better sometimes, but it was really hard to tell. What we really needed was another test to gather more info. Let's just temporarily plug those holes and see what happens.
Is that styrofoam?
Yeah, do you think it's gonna work to
It's
plug?
incredibly flammable.
What do you think I should get?
I don't know. It probably doesn't matter. It's probably fine. Okay, I'll tell you what. It legitimately looks smokier to me.
It does, doesn't it? It's all over. Let's pull them out again.
Dan, I gotta admit, there's not very much smoke.
No, there isn't.
I think those holes probably helped.
I have my doubts about how important it is, but I think it helps 30%.
I mean, that's pretty important. That's a big help.
Yeah.
You guys were so stoked. 10,000 subscribers in about a week. So many views on that last paver video.
Thank you so much. That was just...
We're just enjoying the heck out of this ride. It's been a blast.
And we're gonna keep making more videos, obviously. This is just a start. Somebody was like, why stick a fire pit in the middle of a huge yard? Well, there's more coming. We're gonna do more stuff. It's bro build.
Yes, and something I'm really excited about out at my house very soon.
Are you gonna tell them?
We're gonna be building a pizza oven.
Oh,
like a
man.
legit wood fire pizza oven. It's gonna be amazing.
If you guys thought we didn't know what we were doing with this,
Oh man, you're in for a treat because we have no idea how to build a pizza oven.
we research as much as we can, but build a pizza? Did you just say build a
I was
pizza?
laughing while I was laughing.
I know how to build a pizza. Crust, maybe a little oil, a little flour.
I'll say this, we have no experience building a pizza oven, but we're gonna do the best a couple bros can do.
And I hope you guys will enjoy it. You want to toast some marshmallows?
Absolutely, I do.